Conversation. Talking about daily routines, simple present tense. Situation. Two classmates, Emma and Jack, are talking about their daily routines at school. Hi, Jack. What do you do every day?
Hi, Emma. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Oh, that's early. I wake up at 7 a.m. After that, I eat breakfast.
Me too. I eat breakfast at 7:15 a.m. Then I go to school at 7:30 a.m.
What time do your classes start?
My classes start at 8 a.m. I study math, science, and English in the morning.
That's great. After school, what do you do?
I go home at 4 p.m. Then I do my homework and play football with my friends.
Nice! I go home at 4:30 p.m. I help my mom in the kitchen and then read books.
That sounds fun. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9:30 p.m.
I go to bed at 10 p.m. I like to watch TV before I sleep.
That's nice. It's fun to learn about each other's routines.
Yes, talking about daily routines helps us practice English.
I agree. See you tomorrow, Jack.
See you, Emma. Grammar focus, simple present tense for daily routines. Use I plus verb, wake up, eat, go, study, for habits and routines. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I go to school at 7:30 a.m. Use he, she, plus verb, plus s for other people's routines. He wakes up at 6:30 a.m. She eats breakfast at 7:15 a.m.